Hello again, everyone. In this technical analysis of the stock market video, we're taking a quick look here at the Nasdaq, the SPX. In the middle of the week, we had a major market move today. The Dow was down over 800 points at the close. And I'm going to talk about what's happening with this, and then I'm going to talk about how I am going to be doing market updates going forward. All right, so a week ago, I put out a video right here on the 3rd, October 3rd. I talked about this consolidation that was going on in the Nasdaq. Basically, it was this view right here. And I said, I'm really expecting this to break down at some point and have continuation to the downside. That's exactly what we had starting the very next day, Thursday, Friday, Monday, Tuesday, and today. Today, we are down 316 points on the Nasdaq Composite. That was 4%, 4.08%, huge move to the downside. So right now, I think there's a very good chance that the high here on August 30th is the high and most likely the all-time high for a long, long time on the Nasdaq Composite. If you take a look at the SPX in here, here's the picture on the SPX, down 94.66 today. Closed 27.85. I also think there's a very high probability the high is in on this. This high was on September 21st, okay? Pretty negative action in here today. Okay, currently I provide market updates to my email subscribers who sign up on my website 2 times a week, on Wednesday evening and on the weekend. Now, I also provide a similar type of thing, as you know, here on YouTube, and I've been doing that for quite a while. Going forward, I've decided to make a little bit of a switch, a little change. I'm going to continue to put videos out on YouTube periodically, but in terms of regular market updates and focusing on what's happening with the market and ETFs, gold, etc., I'm going to be doing those to email subscribers only, okay? And so if you want to stay in touch, you want to stay tuned in to what I'm doing with the market updates, it's real easy. All you got to do is go over here to the website. You can sign up here on the blog page after any blog post. I've got links in here. You can go right here on the home page, and you'll see that the link is right here for free market updates. Again, they're free. Just your first name and email. It's very simple to do. And then I will be forwarding, sending out the emails with the videos. I actually send the video attached to the email. I believe that's the way I've been doing it. and so it comes right into your inbox, and that's a nice, easy way to get the update. And so that's the way we're going to do it, and we'll see how that works. And I have got a lot to look at here. So I'm going to get going and start looking at all this market detail. There was a lot of action today. Everyone, I hope to see you on the email list and talk to you on the next video.